Hi Scorpio, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Scorpio. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Scorpio, please? Scorpio. Merong unexpected outcome. Things didn't go the way I planned. Okay. Detachment. I had to let this go so I could clear my mind. Detachment. Reveal. I want to tell you the truth. Truth. May gustong sabihin sa inyo, yung person ninyo, Scorpio. Okay. Your person gusto rin mapag-isa or this is you para makapag-isip siya ng maayos about the situation. Okay. Merong disappointment. Missed opportunity. I didn't act when I should have. Okay. Okay. Merong regret. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot for Scorpio. Scorpio, please. Unexpected outcome. Scorpio. Merong disappointment, okay? Kung ano yung in-expect nyo, kung ano yung plan nyo na sana gawin or matanggap na information or na reaction from your person, it went wrong or hindi nasunod yun and it is something na na-disappoint ka, okay? You are expecting something from your person or it's the other way around. Pero hindi yun ang nangyari. Okay? Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio. Peace, love, and romance. Commitment, marriage. Okay. 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 Oops. Both of you, masaya kayo sa isa't isa, lalo na pag magkasama kayo, okay? You want marriage, Scorpio, with this person. Also, your person wants the same. Gusto niya rin ng commitment sa inyo. But meron lang siyang fear about the future or confusion. Yeah. Meron siyang nararamdaman or Meron siyang something na parang gustong sabihin or hindi mo to alam. Scorpio. Merong insecurity and fear na if ever malaman mo to is baka ma-confuse ka din, okay? Or baka hindi mo siya tanggap. Something like that, Scorpio. But your person, gusto niya rin na magkaroon ng resolusyon or magkaayos kayong dalawa. Okay? Gusto niya makipag-ayos sa inyo. Okay. Then natin. Ace of Cups, okay? Mahal ka ng taong ito, Scorpio, okay? There is deep love. Okay. Gusto niya makipag-commit sa inyo. Okay. Gusto niya rin na parang magkasama kayo sa isang bahay. He or she wants to live with you, Scorpio. Yeah. Your person, gusto niya din talaga ng long-term commitment with you. Okay? Parang kung ano man to yung mga doubts niya or fear, gusto niya rin actually sabihin sa'yo yun or i-clear sa'yo. Okay? And he or she, wini-wish niya na sana maintindihan mo siya. Yes. Ayan, gusto din maging honest sa'yo ng person mo, Scorpio. Yeah. Yeah. Gusto niya rin talaga i-work out to. Kung ano man to, yung secrets or fears niya or doubts, no? Gusto niyang sabihin or i-discuss to sa'yo or mapag-usapan. Okay? Ang intention niya sa inyo is to have a long-term commitment with you. Okay? At mabigyan ng solusyon kung ano man ang concerns or problema sa kanya. Okay? Or ang magiging problema sa inyong sitwasyon. Just take what resonates with you, Scorpio. Okay? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Or maybe this is the other way around. The Judgment. Yeah. Yeah. He or she is planning, looking forward about the future. Okay. If malayo kayo sa isa't isa, gusto kanyang tawagan. Okay. Kung meron man siyang gustong i-reveal or sabihin sa inyo, yeah, gusto kanya i-inform or sabihin yun sa inyo. If you are in a long distance relationship, yeah, gusto niya itawag to sa inyo at sabihin or mag-uusap kayo about sa situation niya through phone. And at the same time, gusto niya rin pag-usapan mga exciting na mga topics or future about sa inyong dalawa. Okay. Yes, mahal mo ang person na to, Scorpio. Gusto mong magkasama kayong dalawa. You feel na pag nandyan siya, parang may celebration palagi. You feel joy. You feel there is happiness in you and sa person mo. Okay? Yeah, you feel confident. You are also very attracted to your person, Scorpio. Maybe you are dealing with a fire sign, a Leo, okay, Aries, Sagittarius, but mostly Leo. Yeah. The Hangman. Okay. But it seems that your person parang walang action sa part niya ngayon. Okay, parang yes, maybe may problema about sa oras or sa circumstance niya, okay, sa sitwasyon niya. Parang wala siyang freedom for now to express or to do things with you. Okay, but he or she is looking forward to meet you or see you. May mga plans siya, yung mga memories nyo naaalala niya, okay? Okay. He or she is just accepting the current situation. Naiisip niya about yung future nyo rin, okay? About sa sitwasyon nyo, basically. Yeah, so maybe this is one problem, okay? Merong blockage or challenge. Parang walang freedom. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Your person, okay, he or she is being in control of the situation. Parang wala ka rin magawa kung may problema sa part niya, okay? Scorpio. Yeah. Kaya be patient, okay, Scorpio. Maybe you want validation from your person. You want him or her to express kung ano yung nararamdaman niya sa inyo, ano yung plans, exciting plans para sa inyong dalawa. But he or she is asking you to be patient, okay? Yeah. Or yung panahon nagsasabi na be patient. Just wait for the right time. Scorpio, okay? King of Swords, yes. Siguro yung passion nyo, keep the passion alive, maybe. Kahit na malayo kayo, but you know, communication is there. You want also your person to take the move, to initiate. Okay? Yung mga exciting moments para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Kailangan pag-usapan. Or kailangan mag-usap kayong dalawa. Keep the communication going to maintain or to sustain the relationship. Keep the passion alive. Communicate it, Scorpio. Okay? Maybe you want this person physically right now. Baka kailangan mong sabihin yun sa kanya. Or you are waiting for this person to tell you or do the action, the initiation to do it. Okay? Yeah. Merong attractiveness sa inyong dalawa, okay? But just be patient, Scorpio. Yeah. Yeah. Seryoso yung person ninyo, may plans siya. Gusto niya ng long-term commitment and even marriage with you, Scorpio. But it's just that parang sa situation niya, parang may problem about maybe sa work niya, no? Okay? May mga hindi pa siya ganun ka-secured or hindi pa siya sigurado sa kanyang sitwasyon ngayon. So may fears or maybe may mga information na hindi mo pa alam about sa work or sa ginagawa niya. And that is something na naiisip niya na i-discuss or sabihin sa inyo, and he or she is looking forward na makomprehend mo siya, maintindihan, mabigyan ng solusyon. Okay, madesisyonan ninyo ang inyong situation after discussion kung ano mang sitwasyon niya. Okay, sa work, kung ano man yung magiging problema. Okay? Because this person really wants to stay with you, Scorpio. For some of you, your person is progressing at work and hindi niya pa nasasabi. So, yeah, may mga exciting things na nangyayari din sa kanya, no? Okay? And it is something stable and pang long term yan na to na ginagawa. Gusto niya i-discuss or sabihin to sa'yo, excited siya, i-discuss yun. Yeah. So, wait for the right timing. Be patient. Love is there. You want to be together. You want marriage with this person. Okay? Just for now, express kung ano yung kailangan mo sa kanya. Be expressive. Verbal. Communicate. Keep the passion alive. Yeah. Time is a problem. Distance is a problem. Okay? Parang for now, you just have to wait. Just be patient, Scorpio. And you're also yung person mo, kailangan niya din maging patient. Mahaba ang pasensya niya actually. Okay? Parang sa ngayon, wala pa siyang magawa. Okay? Parang hindi niya din kontrolado ang sitwasyon niya. Okay? Kung saan man siya. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung messages for Scorpio. Additional message for Scorpio, please. Let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims. It simply allows and gives. Acceptance is the key to inner peace. At times, we must accept things as they are. There is no point trying to change that which is beyond our control. Okay? Acceptance is the key to inner peace. May dalawa. Emotions are natural and necessary part of life, but they can also distort your perception and cloud your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. Okay? Deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Scorpio. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!